How's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to pair your Samsung Galaxy Buds to an iPhone, and the process is very similar to a Samsung device. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings in your phone and go to your Bluetooth option. In your Bluetooth options, you're going to make sure that your Bluetooth is on, of course, and when it's on, we're going to go ahead and just simply pop this case open to make sure it's open like this. In this mode, you can simply take this and put this near a Samsung phone, and it will have a little option that says, would you like to pair, and you'll connect it. But with this iPhone, we're going to go ahead and just pop this open on the bottom. As you can see here, we're going to click on other devices where it says Galaxy Buds. We clicked on that, and it's going to connect it. Automatically, when you do that, you're connected. Really simple, really easy, and then you put these into your ears and get to listening music. Alright folks, hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to reach out. This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Have a wonderful day.